Today, Barbie decided to have a party, and she invited all of her best friends. A glittering disco ball spins on the ceiling, and she got the best DJ in New York for the music. We will show you how to make sure that Barbie's party is the best ever. No one will remember your usual boring hair. For a party, you need to do something crazy. Prepare strands of dyed artificial hair and small hairpins. Remove the decorations from the pins. Glue the strands to the pin. Fasten your new extensions close to the roots. Hide the pin with hair on top of it. Barbie's rainbow hair will attract all kinds of attention, and today she will prove to her friends that she is the true party queen. For the next life hack, you will need small perfume boxes. Paste them over with pink foam paper. Get some Lego pieces. Fasten a TV, a vinyl record, a DJ console, and a whole bunch of other buttons onto the box. Next, you need popsicle sticks and a self-adhesive cloth. Decorate one of the sides with the fabric. Cut it out. Use the popsicle sticks as legs for the DJ console. Turn the smaller box into a speaker. Use a marker to draw on the speakers. Apply clear glue and pour on some glitter. For the best sound system, make 2 speakers. Place the DJ behind the console. It's about to get crazy on the dance floor. She will be playing all the hits and the sickest beats. The grooviest music will make everyone feel good and want to dance. Here's how you can repurpose these old broken headphones you haven't gotten around to throwing away. Cut the wire, bend a small piece of wire in an arc. Hot glue the headphones to it. Twist a black pipe cleaner around them. The DJ's headphones are ready. They will help you find the perfect track for all the disco dancers. And what's a disco without a disco ball? You need a Christmas ornament and some self-sticking foil. Cut the foil into small squares. Cover the ornament with foil pieces. Then cover the whole thing with sequins. There's never been a disco ball quite this sparkly. Hang it up and the room is suddenly dazzling. A successful disco party is all about the lights, and Barbie's guests will remember this party for a long time. This next idea will definitely appeal to you. You need an old brush, a bead, and thin wire. Use pliers to cut off the golden tip from the handle of the brush. Glue on a silver bead. Wrap the bead with wire. Draw a button on the microphone handle with a marker. Which of the dolls will dare to take the microphone and turn this disco into a karaoke party? For the next life hack, you will need a round hot pad and a sleeve. Glue the blanks with colored self-adhesive paper. Hot glue the sleeve to the stand. Draw the silhouette of a girl on a piece of shiny foam paper. Cut it out. Hot glue it to the table. Get pieces of pink and black tulle. Make a 2-tier tulle skirt and glue it to the table. Glue pink tape around the edge. Decorate with rhinestones. A festive ballerina table is ready. Sparkling decor, ruffles from tulle, Swarovski stones. The luxurious designer table was created exclusively for only the most beautiful girls to sit at. And our Barbie, of course, is the most beautiful of all. Cold drinks are the key to a successful party. So we obviously need to cool them in a solid gold bucket. Squeeze out some hot glue onto a piece of greased foil. Peel off the glue from the foil when it dries. Cut it into thin strips with a knife. Next, cut them into pieces using the scissors. The tiny ice is ready. Put it all into a bucket and place the bottles and drinks there. The doll's drinks will be the perfect temperature when it's time for toasts. And for a light snack, you need different colors of modeling clay. Smash a piece of black clay. Stretch it. Cover with a piece of white clay. Roll a green and red sausage. Make a sushi roll. Cut it into portions. What a yummy treat! Now we just have to serve it. For serving, you need a wide stick. Cut it into pieces. Spread the sushi on the wooden plate. Add wasabi and pickled ginger made out of clay. Use toothpicks like chopsticks. After a crazy night of dancing, these dolls will have worked up an appetite. Luckily, Barbie took care of everything in advance and ordered plenty of Japanese food. Looks very appetizing! Now you will need a thin wire and a piece of polyethylene. Twist the wire into 2 layers. Bend glasses frames. Shape them in the form of 2 stars. Glue the wire templates. Use clear glue to fasten the star polyethylene lenses to the frames. Decorate with 2 small rhinestones. Through the star lenses of the holiday glasses, everything seems more colorful and more fun. Barbie's wardrobe consists of timeless classics, but she needs to wear something more unique for the party. We'll show you how to turn Barbie's white shirt into a super cool blouse perfect for a disco. Choose an image that you think would look good on the shirt. Go over it on the self-adhesive foil with a pencil. Cut it out, attach the shiny label to the blouse. Barbie is so pleased with her updated outfit. Now she's shining even brighter than the disco ball. But her outfit could use a little mystery. Let's make a mask out of cardboard. Cut it out. Choose a print color for decoration. Cover the mask with peach nail polish. Sprinkle blue glitter on the fresh polish. Attach a stick as a handle. You can even make masks for all the friends invited to the party. Now Barbie's disco dance has turned into a mysterious masquerade. For another holiday party idea, you will need a piece of cardboard and a wire. Mark an edge with an arc. Cut it out along the line. Fold the cardboard into a cone and glue the edge. Make some holes and insert the wire. Party hats for dolls are a must at any soiree. They look so fun! For the next life hack, you need silicone cake molds, a skewer, and paper decor. Pierce holes in the molds. String the molds on the skewer. Shorten the stick as much as you need to. Hot glue the molds so they stay. Decorate the top with a star. What a perfect display dish! Place the dish on the party table and let Barbie's friends treat themselves. Time for costumes! Take Barbie's measurements and cut out 4 details for some carnival trousers. Sew pieces together by hand. Connect them to each other. Make it easy and use some Velcro tape. But that's not all. Decorate the pants with sequins. Sew a simple vest from the fabric with sequins and decorate it with some fluff. Barbie will take home the prize for best costume for sure. She's Miss Shining Star 2019. Don't throw away those old toy car wheels. They make excellent bar stools. Hot glue the wheels together. Take the back off an emoji pin and a piece of faux fur. Hot glue the fur on to make a comfy seat. Glue the seat to the Hot Wheel stool legs. Place the chair at the bar. A comfortable and tall chair like this will make sure Barbie and her friends have a perfect view of the dance floor. And later you can use it for a photo shoot in front of the bar with some colorful cocktails. For the next life hack, you need a piece of colored cardboard. Cut the corners off to get a shape like this. Fold it into a small box. Now glue the sides closed and cover them with colorful hot glue. Ice the cupcake. Decorate the acrylic paint with sparkles. Use different colors. Delicious cupcakes for the party of the year are ready to eat. Dolls can't get enough of these sweet tiny treats. Did you love our Barbie party? Which of these ideas seems most interesting to you? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on the bell too, so you don't miss all the latest Barbie life hacks on Troom Select.